lights on, but he didn't come out. Yo, did you show the world what we got?
What?
Can I use this?
Ah, yeah, grab it. Careful. Show the world. This touch the screen.
Got the fire going. I'm going mushroom hunting. Raspberries. Mm. I wish you guys can see the view for real. Like, oh, dragonfly.
Yo, you look like Lisa Left Eye Lopez on her journey to Africa
Word.
for inner peace.
Cool. Well, her spirit lives in me. R.I.P. to her. Damn, I'm at 44% already.
Already?
I got another battery.
Yo, let's go on that hike.
Let's go.
You gotta start now.
Yeah, I'll bring my other battery either way.
You in the middle of an island.
Yeah, I'm in an island right now. I don't know how I'm getting back.
Damn, bro.
This is a nice little spot though.
Really done outdid yourself there. Nigga's stuck there.
Like, what am I gonna do?
Cam, he's stuck there.
This was the beaver. I'll ride his back.
Yo, YouTube. This guy is on the middle of a rock island and now he's stuck.
So here I am in my camping trip, guys.
Yelling at us.
Got perfect lighting right here too with the sun. Like, come on, this is paradise right here. It's like day 2 already in our camping trip. Cool. And it's just real peaceful. Like, the only thing that needs to top off this fucking whole camping trip is us seeing a moose. Like, I never seen a moose before ever in my life. Like, if I seen one right now, like cross the river over there, it would make my 2020 year. And then I'm gonna have to show YouTube how I can tame the moose and ride it. And get millions of views.
Calculate yourself.
All I gotta do is boom.
My bad, I fucked you up.
Nah. I can start it from here, you know what I'm saying? From a sideways fucking, you seen that?
That would have been bad though.
It would have been real bad. But I would have got views though.
Ooh, look at
Me wiping out.
Look at this wildlife.
Ooh, hold on. Crikey, mate. We got a white caterpillar, huh?
Where should I throw it?
In the water. You know how to swim? No, I'm just kidding. No.
No?
Nah, just let him live. Let's put him on the tree.
I was supposed to throw him in the water, yo.
No.
You want to take a drink? What if he's thirsty?
Come on, my nigga.
Scared.
Yeah, he's like, oh shit.
Like, oh,
He thinks I'm a fucking animal, like I'm gonna eat him or something.
take it.
You're on your own, kid.
Yo, you gonna do me like that? No, that's fucked up. Yo, see that? That's fucked
He likes you.
Nah,
You might as well.
like that,
You might as well be his boy.
Okay.
He's holding on for his dear
I
life.
see
I can't
you.
do that to him.
If anything, I see you.
Oh no! He flicked the shit out of him. There was one by the when we were. Damn! Imagine I should have recorded the storm that we had to go through for day one. Dude, we came here. We set up our tents, but we had to go pick up more supplies in our cars. We had the wagons, because this camping place, like we have to walk like a quarter mile, maybe a half a mile. What do you think it is? A quarter or a half a mile?
Half mile almost.
Yeah, it is a little half a mile. It's a little walk to get to your camping site where you can't use your car. So, if you ain't got no strong legs, probably you don't want to go camping with us. But yeah, it was raining hard and we had to pick up our supplies and it was crazy because we were just walking through the rain with our ponchos, just chilling, surviving, going through it, becoming the storm. But it was fun though. It was like a little hardship, but then it stopped when we got back and everything was fine after that. Tents got a little wet and that was annoying too, but everything's settled now. Everything's back to normal. We got the lake right for us. Fire pit over there. We got our tents over here. Oh, big old frog.
Cool.
Get here, buddy. Big old frog over here. It's our camping site over here. That was fun.
We can reattach this tarp.
Chilling. My outfit's crazy right now, guys. Got the third eye symbolism. I almost stole this bandana today. I went back into the store and bought it. I didn't have a mask. I went into the store with a napkin. Nobody noticed. Nobody noticed at all. And I found some masks and I just opened it up right in the store and put one on. But of course I was gonna buy it. It's $3. But then I forgot. I purchased a bunch of other items and I totally forgot about the bandana on my face. And then got to the car and I realized, oh shit. And I was like, gonna have to go back in there. Out of heart, you know? Because I'm not that type. It'd be a dream to find a Murici mushroom. Oh my gosh.
What about some turkey tail?
I'll start. Turkey tail, same thing. If I find some turkey tail, so I'm head of the woods. I have found some puffballs earlier. I ate them. Delicious. Made me feel really cool. You know, the mushrooms are fucking powerful for healing. You take some wild edible mushrooms. Not no psychedelic ones. I'm talking about some wild edible choice. You know, these mushrooms that chefs idolize, that they pay good money for. Talking about, you eat these mushrooms and you start feeling a shift of consciousness, like wavy, almost like you're on drugs, but it's like that old saying, Hippocrates, let food be that medicine, medicine be our food. Well, there's types of foods out there that are real foods that actually you know, activate certain parts of the brain and stuff, and mushrooms are one of them. These are puffball mushrooms right here. I had some earlier. I don't know if these are white in the inside, but I'm gonna take these and we'll find out later. Anyways, let's keep going. on our journey. Medicine. Yeah, we paid camping trip to come out here, and we're finding medicinal medicine. Like, you're really blessed if you can find some reishi mushroom, for example. If you find reishi mushroom growing around your area and you have that in your medicine cabinet or in your room, you're blessed. I'm telling you right now, if you haven't tried reishi mushroom, you might want to put that on your cart right now, wherever you shop at, because that stuff is real medicine. It's a good read if you're into herbalism and you see what herbs. It's just like, you know, real food. Like, you know, they say tomatoes are good for your blood, carrots are good for your eyes. Well, there's certain herbs that do different things too. And these Chinese people have had these tablets written down for thousands of years. These specific herbs that are talked about in different cultures all around the world, with oceans divided in them, are all talking about these same herbs. So, you know, there's something there. So I go online and I study other cultures, see what they take for herbs and what they say does this and does what this and does that. Every country got their own little myths and own little lore when it comes to plant magic. So it's not hard to really go out there and go on YouTube, type in top 10 Chinese herbs and incorporate them in your lifestyle and try them out. See this? I can walk on this. This is how I do it. Wow.
In the middle of the forest, we just stopped, and you can see out for miles, probably 4 or 5 miles that way.
Wow. New scenery, it's always stimulating, right, in the mind? It makes it way more delightful when you're grounded to earth while you're walking to the nature trail. Or if you can get the grounding straps, those are pretty cool too. Wow, this is the best. This is the best medicine. Feeling connected. So. I literally feel like a little kid. Like, wow, look at this. Oh, this shit tickles. Shit tickles my root chakra.
Where are we?
I don't know, but Everybody got to see this. I'm glad I got this on film.